Infor Time Track, configuring automatic startup forms. When a user logs into Time Track for the first time, by default this is the form they will see. To facilitate the user's experience, we recommend configuring forms they'll most likely use to open automatically when they log into the application. In order to do this, we start by opening Mongoose Explorer, expanding My Folders and right-clicking on Auto Run. We then select New Shortcut and the form modal will display. We enter the desired form name in the filter field, focus on the desired form and select OK. Then the selected form will display in the Auto Run folder. We can then repeat the process to add additional forms. Then we close the Explorer panel. When we next sign in as this user, the forms in the Auto Run folder will open automatically. We have some recommended settings for the different types of users. If we look at the administrator, we would recommend that they are configured to open the administrator homepage and supervisor landing page during the application startup. If the user is not using the new user experience, then only the administrator homepage is recommended. The supervisor landing page is recommended for supervisor user profiles using the new user experience. The lookup name for the supervisor landing page is fttt supervisor landing page.ts. To easily find this object, just put landing in the filter field for the form search. In the next few slides, the Mongoose Explorer panel will be left open so you can see the auto-run configurations. To provide more space for the display of application data, the Explorer panel is normally hidden once the configuration is completed. If using the old user experience, the supervisor homepage is recommended for supervisor users. For employees, the employee landing page is recommended. The lookup name for the employee landing page is fttt employee landing page.ts. Again, to easily find this object, just put landing in the filter field for the form search. For elapsed employees that are not using the new user experience, it is recommended to configure them to open the elapsed time detail form at login. For a dedicated clock device, use the fttt attendance tracking tran.ts, also known as the attendance transaction form. Shared terminals will work off the forms associated with the employee homepage. So we would configure console users of shared terminals to open the employee homepage during login.